Today we're talking about how authors compare one thing to another to help us understand maybe a character or what they're talking about a little better. Um, Sometimes the authors help you understand by using two words, the words like and as, to make a comparison. And when you read the work like or as, think about what the author is comparing. So, as we think about some of the books that we've read, in The Legend of the Lady Slipper, there is a comparison that is made about the older brother and the character. It says that she is as strong as a bear. Now, is she a bear? No, but they're comparing her to a bear because they're trying to help us understand a little bit about the character. Um, it says in this book as well, fast as a rabbit. The older brother is fast as a rabbit. Is he a rabbit? No, but they're comparing him to a rabbit so that you can understand that he is stronger, faster, and smarter than the others. Smart as a fox is also used to describe the older brother. The sister is also said she is as smart like a fox who thinks his way around the trap. So it's telling us that the sister is smart. So by comparing something to another, it helps us understand a little better. Um, it's using what we know, something that we know, and comparing it to it. Sometimes people say, as hungry as a bear. Well, are they a bear? No, but they're hungry as a bear, and that then we can visualize that in our head. That's also called figurative language, and you will be learning about that in the ELA portion of the slides today. What it means to use figurative language, and we call using the word like and as, that's actually a simile in figurative language. And so today, as you read, I want you to look and see if you can spot any of those comparisons in your reading. If you see the words like or as comparing something to something else, mark it in your book and then share it with your parent or your teacher and see if you can find as many comparisons as you can as you read today.